Hello, my little artists! Today we are going to draw something cute, lovely, and full of love. Are you ready to draw a cute love envelope?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw some cute hearts. Draw a small heart. Draw another cute heart. Draw more little hearts on top. So lovely! Now, behind the hearts, draw a pentagon shape. Great! Let's turn it into an envelope. Draw some lines like me. Wow! It looks like an envelope. Now draw a big heart in the center of the envelope. Perfect! Inside the heart, write the word love. Great job! Now let's make it cute. Draw two big, cute eyes on the lower part of the envelope.
La da 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 dee.
Draw a smiley mouth. Aw, so adorable! Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Pink color. Dark pink color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Red color again. Silver color. Wow, so colorful and lovely. You did an amazing job today. If you loved drawing this cute love envelope, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.